So, that's my old room, and this is my new room. I got moved to 145 from 144 because the TV in 144 isn't working. So, it is essentially the same room, but I thought it would make for another video, so here I am, making a room tour of room 145 at the ibis Styles London Heathrow. So, it is the same key card. By same key card, I mean the same design. So yeah. Got the floor plan on the back of the door. Sought to insert the key card for the room's power, light switches. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. With that same sofa, couch, chair thing. The bathroom right here with the shower. A giraffe this time instead of a duck. Toilet. And the sink area with a mirror. Hello? So, the bed with my traveling penguin. The refreshment trolley, which, like the other room, has the coffee, tea, kettle, water, and whatnot. Telephone, the menu for the restaurant below, and some advertisements for the hotel. A plug, some lights. Space person, and same thing goes to that side. Lights, plugs, and whatnot. Down there, the place to put your luggage. Another mirror. Now, that TV works because you can see the red light. But yes, it is a flat screen LG TV. Right there is the cupboard area where you can hang stuff, extra pillows and towels, and a hairdryer off to the right. Climate control panel. A chair. Desk thing where you can work, eat, and whatnot. And another thing I forgot to mention, this side has a USB port, so you can just plug in your device straight away. A picture regarding airport stuff, duty free, you can see airport codes there as well. And yeah, it is basically the same view because it is the same row. The view is of the driveway of the hotel below. As well as the main building of the hotel. So yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 145 at the ibis Styles London Heathrow Airport. Thanks for watching and goodbye.